Hello everyone and welcome to this Christmas craft session. And here at the Cathedral our theme is Wonder and Light this year at Christmas time. So we're going to be making a wonderful star to go on the top of your Christmas tree. And I'm going to be putting mine on this Christmas tree here because it doesn't have a star at the top, so we would love to make a star wonder for the top of our tree. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, on my table, I have got all sorts of things that I'm going to be using, and you can use whatever you have at home. I've literally just gone in the cupboard and found whatever was there. So I've got a mix of felt tip pens, crayons, chalk, coloured pencils, paint, gold paint, sponges, paintbrushes. I've got some tissue paper, I've got some nice gold card that I found, and some stickers. So on the website there is going to be this template that you can print off on either paper or card. Obviously card is better, and if you're using lots of wet materials, card will work better as well. And I am just going to scribble all these materials down and see what happens. Okay, and now I think I'm going to stick on some tissue paper, and this is really just to show you the technique. You could cover your whole star in tissue paper if you wanted to. I'm just going to put a little bit down like that on there. And I've gone for golds and yellows and oranges on my star, but you can choose whatever colours you like. So if you like blue, or if you like silvers, or any other colour for that matter, it doesn't matter. So now that I'm happy with my star, I'm going to cut it out and the strip along the top. And the strip is going to make a loop behind the back of the star so that we can hang it from our tree. So I'll show you how to do that. So now that I've cut out my strip of card, I need to make it into a loop like this before I attach it to my star. And you can either staple it together, you can glue it together, or you can make a little slit in one side like that, and then the opposite side like that, and you can slot them in together. So now I'm going to stick my loop to the back of my star, and I've just got a little bit of PVA, which should hopefully be strong enough because we are just using quite thin cardboard. Make sure that your star is straight because you want your hoop to be straight on the back of your star so it's not wonky on your tree. So I'm going to stick it right in the middle. I'm going to press it down, and you would leave it to dry for a little bit before putting it on your tree, but I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So now I'm going to hang my star on my tree, just like that. And you don't have to just make one star. Obviously, if you have brothers and sisters, or even if mum and dad wants to make one, you can put as many stars as you want on your tree.